Thank you so much for watching. I will have a brand new home updates video for you out very soon that I'm really excited to share, so make sure you have those notifications on. But today I am spreading some holiday cheer with this super minimal and modern holiday home tour. I'm starting out with us decorating the tree, and we were having a ball. Also, after the tour, I will share a few relaxing clips of a few things all lit up, and a special shout out to my friend Sean once I get to the mantle. I just want to thank you guys again for your time. Leave me a comment letting me know what you think of everything. Also, I mentioned in the tour that I got bitten by the bug and cannot wait to do even more next year once we're even more settled in. So if you have any suggestions, also leave those in the comments. I love you guys so much. Hey guys, welcome to our holiday home tour. This is a wreath that I got from HomeGoods. I love that it's flocked and just has some silver leaves and ornaments on it. I thought that was really pretty and simple and kind of goes with my modern and simple vibe. And then when we come in, I didn't do anything in the entryway, but I am very inspired for next year. So I'm just gonna quickly take you throughout and show you the things that I did do. So in the living room, here's a quick overview. On this accent cabinet, I have a Merry and Bright sign. I got this last year from Michael's. I've got this hurricane. I've had this for a few years and I'm pretty sure it came from HomeGoods. And then on the mantle, I found this garland that's the exact width. I had no idea how long it was. It didn't have any measurements on it, but it was the perfect width. It came from HomeGoods. It also has some flocking and ornaments and white berries and pine cones. It just kind of goes with the look I was going for. And then these stocking holders are reindeer. They also came from HomeGoods. They're really nice and heavy. And I had gotten our stockings already and they had reindeer, so I like that that went together. And then on this cabinet, I've been kind of torn. So I got this vase from Etsy, and you can't return most things on Etsy. I don't love it. It kind of looks like a rock or a glacier, but my husband absolutely loves it. And then I bought these silver things. They're like glitter from Hobby Lobby. Wasn't sure about those either, but he loved those too. So we rolled with it because he loves them so much, but you'll have to let me know what you think. But I just put this battery operated candle that also has some glitter. Just very simple, very sparkly. And then down here on the hearth, I got these two Christmas trees from HomeGoods. And I thought they were really pretty. I love the sparkle on them. And that is really all that I did in the living room. So just a couple of things on the accent cabinets, the mantle, stockings, trees, and that's it. And then on the dining room table, I actually wanted some red roses and I ended up getting this arrangement. It looked better when I first put it on here. It's been here for a while now, but I got this from Costco and it had the little pine cone And just kind of went with the white pretty theme, and I just used some of the pine cones. I've had these for years too on a charger. And that's just the centerpiece. And then in the kitchen, also very simple, I got this tray from Home Goods. It's a sparkly black, it's got glitter in it. I've had this hurricane, it's actually 2 pieces. It's got the glass cylinder that sits inside of it, and I've got a candle in there. And then these 2 trees light up, they're battery operated, and I've just got that on the island. And then over here, I think this is a cutting board. I'm actually not sure, but that came from Home Goods with this was the other candle that's on the accent cabinet, but it's really heavy. And I left the ribbon on it for the red because I do have some red in here. So I've got that propped up there. I've got my Let It Snow sign I've had with just a black candle there. Got my red towel. And then I've got my light up tree with my glitter peace sign here. So that's pretty much what's in the kitchen. And then in our coffee bar area, y'all, I'm so excited. I think y'all probably already knew I was looking for a coffee bar sign. So I've got 2 of these, and I've got one in our bedroom. So I've got that here, just a little Christmas mug on the Nespresso. But look at this coffee bar sign. I am so excited about it. It's acrylic, and it comes with a little stand right here that you sit it on. Very good quality. I couldn't find a coffee bar sign. Everything was farmhouse, and my vibe is very modern. I'm going with modern industrial glam, as I've said before. And I found this from an Etsy seller that does these for like weddings and special events. So if you're looking for something and you need a certain vibe, don't limit yourself to just, you know, it doesn't have to be somebody that just makes coffee bar signs for the home. So I got that. I love it so much, and I like this area. It's just a blank slate. I will keep that coffee bar sign probably forever, and then I can change out the floral that I have there, maybe with the seasons or whatever. So I'm very excited about my coffee bar and my sign. And then going into the master, I put my garland. I've had this. I used it on our other bed. I've got garland on the headboard. I've got my Let Heaven and Nature Sing pillow. I think both of these were Michael's, the pillow and the garland. And then on this tray, this is the other set for the floral that's on the coffee bar. And then I love this reindeer. It's so pretty. I got that from Home Goods. I didn't do anything on our nightstands. We're just trying to get the house together. As y'all know, this is a new build and we're trying to get settled. So I just wanted to do a few little touches. So that's the bed. And I like how that garland kind of plays off the sparkly art right there. And then on the mirror piece, I just have a Merry Christmas sign with my little tree here. So that's what's on the mirror piece. And then in the office, we actually put our Christmas tree. I just got to show y'all the coffee bar one more time. We put our Christmas tree in the office. I gave you guys a sneak peek of that on my community tab and on Instagram. And I'm going to show you, actually, I probably showed you right before this, a time lapse of us putting the tree up. This was our first tree together last year. And so I showed us putting it together, so I didn't want to do a whole video of that, but I did do a time lapse. We were having a good old time dancing, having fun. So I put the tree in here because we've got the double window. And I recommend these. If you guys don't have them, they're the little step things that you can either just press or step on with your foot. This one isn't hidden because our outlet was over here, but it's still convenient just to walk in and step on it. Actually, I'll do that so you can see this tree lit up. So stepping into the foyer, you can see it from here. This is it lit up. And I wanted some of those fake gift boxes from, I think it was Hobby Lobby, but the ones they had were kind of messed up. And I was like, I'll just wait to get some better quality ones, but they're light up gift boxes. They were silver, really pretty. So maybe next year I'll have some and we can use those until we get real presents under the tree. And then on the bookshelf, I have this right here. It's glittery. It says Joy. My husband got that for me, I think a few years ago from Kirkland's. At night it's really pretty too because I've got the lights in this lantern. I think I can turn it on. So when the tree's lit up, that's lit up, and then you've got the sparkle from that. It's really pretty. And then over here, I just have a Merry Christmas little sign here, little easel that I've had for a few years. But that's all I did in the office. And I'm trying to think if there's any other little touches. I think there's another shot of the living room. I think the only other little thing I did was in our powder room. I've got just a towel here and then a little Christmas floral on the tray behind the toilet, or on the toilet. Upstairs in the hall bathrooms, I just did Christmas hand towels, so I won't bother showing that. But this is everything. Very, very, very minimal, very simple. That's kind of my vibe anyway. I do want to do several more things next year though, because I've kind of gotten bitten by the bug, being excited in the new house and wanting to decorate. But these are just a few touches that I thought were just enough as we're trying to get the whole house together. So I hope you guys like it and it inspires you if you're a minimal Molly like me.